Are you looking for the best ways to maintain your Katy, Texas residential low-slope roof? Keep these suggestions in mind to help you improve your roof's longevity and beauty. Flatter low-slope roofs are much more likely to collapse under the weight of excess rain or high winds because they have larger areas to bear more weight. Regular roof inspections are a must, as it will help you identify weak spots, areas that are bubbling, cracks, or other signs of damage. If you have trees near your home, they can lose branches, leaves, and limbs, breaking down the membrane and causing damage. You can prevent debris from penetrating your roof by keeping your trees near your home cut back. Keeping your gutters clean is also important, as this makes it easier for the roof to drain properly. Good maintenance starts with precise installation and premium materials. Choosing the best products and most experienced installation teams will ensure a strong and durable roof from the start, making it easier to maintain. For the best roofing project in the greater Houston area, contact Houston Roofing and Construction at 832-237-3737 for a free estimate.